In this video, I will show you how to fix hotspot not working problem. First of all, what you need to do is try turning the hotspot on and off again and on again. And while doing that, you could also turn on airplane mode, leave it on for 20-30 seconds, then turn it off, then try reopening personal hotspot again. Then next thing that you can do is go to settings, go to mobile network. There you will see personal hotspot. Open it. You can turn on or turn off hotspot from here. Then you can change password from hotspot setting if it is the issue of password. Then the main thing that can cause you issue is go to connection management. Here the device that you're trying to connect with hotspot may be in the block list. Then you'll have to remove it from there. One more thing is device connection limit. If your device connection limit is set to just 1 and you're trying to connect to 2 or more, then it will be a problem. You can set it to 10, which is maximum. Then one more thing is data usage limit. Sometimes the usage limit is set too low, which will lead to hotspot not working. You can set it to unrestricted if you want. Then click on confirm. Then if your hotspot is still not working, then go back to the main setting, scroll down till the end, go to system and update, click on backup and reset, then click on reset phone, then go to reset network and Bluetooth setting, confirm your identity, then click reset, then try turning on hotspot again and your problem should be fixed now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.